Class 6th History Chapter 1 History When, Where and How. This is part 1 of the chapter. In this video, we will learn about what is history, why do we study history, and the two periods of history, prehistory and history. History. History is the study of past. That means in history we study everything that has happened in the past. So it is a study of past. It is a record of people, places and events of the past arranged in a chronological order. So history is a record. It keeps a record of the people, the places and the events or the happenings of the past, but arranged in a chronological order. It means arranged in the order of their happening. The events which happened first are studied first and the events that happened later are studied afterwards. Why do we study history? Most parts of the social science other than history tells us about the world in the present. See, social science, there are basically three main disciplines: history, civics or social and political life, and geography. So, other parts of social science, they tell us about the world in present. They talk about the present. But history tell us about the past. That is important to understand the present. So history is the only discipline in which we study about the past. And it is important to understand the present. If we know the past of something, then we can understand the present in a better way. We can understand why things are such if we know its past. With the help of history, we come to know about the art, architecture, literature, customs, religion, etc. of our ancestors. So, through history, we come to know about the art, what sort of art was prevalent, then architecture, what was the styles or some new features of architecture were there, new style of making building or what style was being used, then literature, whatever was in the written form, and the customs and also the religion of our ancestors or forefathers. History helps us to learn from the past experience and molds our future in a better way. See, history, it helps us to learn from our past experience. Like, we all know that World War II was very destructive. So, it showed people that war can benefit no one. War is always destructive and causes loss of life and property. So it helps us to learn from the past experience and to shape or mold our future in a better way. History is not only about kings or great men, but also about the life and activities of ordinary men. From history, we not only come to know about the great kings and other great men, but we also know about the life and the activities of the ordinary people or common man. Okay. Now, the scholars who study history are called historians. So historians are those people who study history. Historians have divided the past into two periods, prehistory and history. Prehistory is that period of history for which no written records are available. So, prehistory is that period, or it is a study of that period of the past for which we don't have any written record because man did not know how to read and write. So, history of that period is reconstructed only on the basis of the evidences or the materials available, like it may be pot or some monument or piece of art or sculpture. Okay, no literary source is available, nothing in writing is available. History is that period for which written records are available because man learned to read and write, so man has left behind written records. Okay, so that period of history for which written records are available is called history, and the period of history for which no written records are available is called prehistory.